Welcome back, everybody. So, we are still busy with integers, and today we are going to do the properties of integers. Okay, so when you add and multiply integers, the order of the numbers does not matter. For example, if you have to work with -4 minus 5, it is the same as to say -4 minus 5 minus 4. And -4 times -5 will give you the same answer as -5 times -4. Okay, so it doesn't matter in the order that you do that. And the order in which you add or multiply numbers does not matter. For example, -6 plus 5 minus 7. You can also say -6 is plus 5 minus 7. And -6 times 5 minus 7. You can also say -6 times 5 times -6 times 5 times 7. Okay. So when number in a bracket are multiplied by a number in front of the bracket, each number in the bracket is affected. This property of numbers work for addition and for subtraction. For example, -4 and 5 with 5 plus 6 in the bracket equals -4 times 5, that one, plus -4 times 6. Or in case of subtraction, -6 in brackets -4 minus 5 minus 4 is the same as to say -6 times -5 minus -6 times 4. Got it? So let's do some examples. 5 times -2 plus 4. So because this is a bracket, we can work this out first. So it is 5 times 2. Can you see? -2 plus 4 will give us 2. So our answer is 10. Let's look at another example. 5 minus 2 plus 5 times 4. So 5 minus 2 will give us -10. And 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 minus 10 will give us 10. And this example, 30 divided by -6, will give us, because it's a minus and a plus, will give us a -5. Okay, so let's do a few examples. Again, stop, do them, and then I see you after you've tried it yourself. Okay, right. -6 times -4. We've got 2 minuses. So our answer, 2 minuses, will give us a positive. We know it will be a positive, so our answer will be 24. Here we divide 15 by 5. Again, 2 minuses. We know our answer will be a positive, and the answer is 3. If you get this wrong, I suggest you just go back to the previous slides where we've got the rules and make sure that you understand them. Okay, this one, -10 plus 4 minus 3. So -10 plus 4, what will that give us? -10 plus 4 minus 3. Who managed to work? What is -10 plus 4? It is -6. -6 minus 3 is going to give us -9. Now, -3 with 9 minus 5 in brackets. So 9 minus 5 is easy. That gives us 4. So -3, 4, that will give us -12, because it is a minus and a positive. The next example, -3 times 9 minus -3 times 5. So -3 times 9 will give us what? -27. Now we've got minus, and here minus 3 times 5 is minus 15, right? So we've got two minuses, so it is minus 27 plus 15, and our answer will be minus 12. Congratulations if you've got this one correct. And now the last example, 24 divided by minus 6. So this is a plus and this is a minus. So what is the answer going to be? It's going to be a minus 3. Am I correct? Plus, no, 4. Sorry about that. It's going to be a minus 4. And there they tell us a minus 18 divided by a minus 6. So it's two minuses. So that will give us a 3. So what is our answer? Minus 4 plus 3, our answer is minus 1. Congratulations if you've got this correct. And thank you. I hope I see you next time.